Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get formatted data from a pen drive. The first and most crucial step is to stop using the pen drive immediately after accidental formatting. Every new file written to the drive significantly reduces your chances of successful data recovery. Think of it like painting over a picture. The sooner you stop, the easier it is to uncover the original. We'll explore the principles behind data recovery and practical steps you can take. Once you've secured your pen drive, the next step involves selecting appropriate data recovery software. There are numerous options, some free and some paid, each with varying capabilities. Popular choices often include features like deep scanning and support for many file types. It's wise to research and choose a tool that aligns with your operating system and the specific type of data you're trying to retrieve. Many offer a free trial to scan and preview recoverable files. Now, let's walk through a typical recovery process. First, connect your pen drive to a computer. Open your chosen data recovery software, which should detect the drive. Select the formatted pen drive from the list of available drives and begin a deep scan. This process can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, depending on the drive size and the amount of data. Once the scan is complete, you'll see a list of recoverable files. After the scan, you can preview the files and select those you wish to recover. It is absolutely critical to save these recovered files to a different storage location, such as your computer's hard drive or another external drive, never back to the original pen drive. This prevents overwriting any remaining recoverable data. Always double-check the recovered files to ensure their integrity. Remember, regular backups are your best defense against data loss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.